How to remove superglue from practically anything. If you've ever accidentally broken an irreplaceable granulative plate, or needed a quick way to fix the in between the toes part of your flip-flops, chances are you've used superglue, yes? It's an official brand name like X-Rock or Kleenex. And while that little tube can take a lot of big jobs, sometimes accidents happen like gluing yourself to whatever you are trying to fix. Fortunately, there are ways around it. Courtesy of the people who know best, the manufacturers of superglue, here's how to get almost anything unglued broken down by what is stuck. How to remove superglue from skin. As basic as it sounds, start off by washing the glued skin with warm, soapy water. It might not work right away and could need a few applications. That's completely normal and worth a shot. Definitely do not just rip the skin apart, like you are tearing off a bandage, as it may be rip and bleed. If warm soapy water doesn't work, you can try acetone, which is almost commonly found in some types of nail polish remover. To apply it to your skin, dip the end of a cotton swab in a small amount of the nail polish and remover, and then apply it directly to the glue. This should dissolve the bond without damaging the skin. In addition, acetone dehydrates the skin, so after you use it, make sure you wash the area with soap and water, and then put on some moisturizing lotion to concentrate the dryness. One way around gluing your fingers together, or whatever your object you are fixing, is to wear gloves. That way, if you do get stuck, you can just slip the glove off and be on your merry way. How to remove superglue from clothing and fabrics. Acetone is the answer here as well. Your best for clothing and fabrics is to use an old toothbrush. Keep reapplying the acetone and brushing the area to remove it layer by layer. Start by working on the outside of the fabric, and then come at it from the other side, attacking from the inside. Though it usually works to some extent, the glue may not come out completely. How to remove superglue from counters, tables, floors, and other surfaces. Reach for the, you guessed it, acetone again for this one. Start by applying the nail polish remover to the surface and penetrating the glue. Then once it has softened up a bit, brush, peel, and shave. Sand or use mechanical means to get the glue off. If at first you don't succeed, apply more acetone and try again. But the superglue people say to be careful, because straight acetone is strong enough to discolor many different types of fabrics, and may ruin the finish of some materials like laminated wood. So proceed with caution and use sparingly. Lastly, when you use superglue, acetone, or any other chemicals, make sure to do it in a well-ventilated area to lessen your exposure to the potent fumes. Thank you.